Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to load the combo box using Servlet Jsp with Ajax. Right here, this is the countries combo box. We load all the countries. Okay, this is coming from the database. Here, this is the database I have created here. Right, this all the countries listed display on this text box. This combo box. Right, this simple system how to do step by step. Right. I already opened the NetBeans ID. Go to File, New Project, select Java Web and Web Application. Click Next. Here we have to provide the project name. I am going to provide as country load. Like this. I just give as country load. Click Next. Finish. Right. I am not going to use any framework yet. I just my project has been created successfully with the name of country load. Right, so here first select the web pages. Here I am going to create the page as JSP page. I am going to create here as country. Just give us country. Click finish. We no need to type the extension, it's automatically created. Right, now here HTML page, we select this one, press delete key on your keyboard and delete. Yes, right. Okay, other project we have to close them. Keep on this one only, country.jsp. Right, this is a simple page. Right, now what I am going to do is I have to make a design. Right, so first I am going to go to the web browser. Here I am going to type, first I am going to get the bootstrap, get started, copy this bootstrap CSS, paste inside the tag, control V to paste here. This is not an error, you just select and this one, you have to first one, disable HTML error check for this side, you have to enable this one, it is go. Right, after that you have to copy the JS2, select this one, you have to go to the here, you have to paste it here, same thing. Right, paste it, perfect. Right, after that what I am going to do is we have to add another important stuff is jQuery min.js. That is very important stuff we have to add. You can add it as here. Right, go to the W3 school jQuery. Here W3 school, you write jQuery, it goes to the relevant side. So here get started, here download jQuery, here this one Google CD and this one. Right, this one same thing. This one should be coming from the internet. Right, Control C copy. You have to back to your project, you have to paste here inside the body. Right, you have to paste it. This is JavaScript. Right, perfect. Right, now all the plugins should be pasted well. Now we have to go to design the things. Right, here first we have to edit, we have to write simply, we have to write as a country load, country loading. Now here what I am going to see, after that you have designed the div tag first, div, you have to write first div class container, right, inside the container div you have to write another thing is a div class, you have to row, this one should be the row. After that you have to write another thing is a div class, you have to write all SM6. Right, now here we have to write another first step is we have to write the combo box. Right, so we have to write div class, this is a form group. Right, okay, perfect. After that you have to write first one to the label, we have to write label. Right, here we have to write this one should be the countries. You have to put the bold tag here, bold, right, enter. Right, you have to cut this one and control V to paste here. Here we have to write, here is a we have to write this one. Right, combo box we have to write select class form control. Right, After that, we have to write ID. We have to write this one should be the country. You have to write the country. Simple country. Right. Same thing. You have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the name. Name. You have to put it the name. Right. After that, the same thing you have to write. Right. Only thing. Right. You have to write. Proceed. Right. Here we have to write. First we have to write here is only the option. We have to write here is option. Select the option. Value. You have to write here is first one should be the select. Please select. Please select. Right. These are the things we have to do. Right. Now if you can execute the. Now run. Right. Here this is not error. Now here we have to type what is a page. Right. If you type index.jsp, it's display automatically. Here country.jsp. You type here country.jsp. Press enter key. Right. Here is a simple design. It displays successfully. Right. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to load all the countries. Right. So here to go here. These are the countries. Right. I have created the database CB. Here I just create the table as cities. Right. Okay. So what I am going to do is here I am going to go to write the Ajax scope. Right. Now here we have to write here is simply we have to write here script. You write script. Right. Start. You have to enter the tag script. Start the script tag. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. You have to enter the tag. Right. Okay. Perfect. Inside the script tag we have to load the things. Right. So here first you have to write function. Function. We have to load the function. Right. You have to get country. Get country. Right. Now here first what I am going to do is here you have to write here dot Ajax. Right. Here we have to write open and close bracket here. Now we have to write here. We have to write it like this. Right. We have to close it like this. Right. This Ajax tag. Right. Inside the Ajax we have to write here is first type. You have to get. You have to write here is get. Right. Comma URL. You have to write here is get city. Sorry, get country. You have to put country. Right. After that, we have to write here is a data type. Which data type you have to get the data. Right. Send and get the data. Only you are using the data type JSON format. Right. This is a JSON format. You have to give the JSON format. Right. After that, simply Ajax success function you have to write. Success function. You have to write here is a data. You have to write data. Right. You have to write close bracket. Right. Perfect. Thing you have to do. Right. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create the page as getCountry.jsp page. This page I am going to create. Right. Now what I am going to select the web pages. Right click. New JSP. Right. Here we have to create this one as a we have to write the same page name we have to give. Get country. The country. Right. Get country. Right. The JSP extension will be created automatically. You no need to create. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here I have to write the code here. Right. So yeah, we no need this one HTML tag. So we have to write here is you have to write the JSP tag here. Right. Start and end tag look like this. First, what I am going to do is here. This is a JSON type, so we have to add the jar file for that. Right. Jar file you have to download from the internet. Right. So here we have to go here. You have to type JSON simple. This one jar. You have to type like this JSON simple. It's automatically create like this. Now here you have to download. I recommend this link. Right. Download JSON simple jar file with all dependencies. Dependencies is the important stuff. Right. Click on this one. Here this is the there will be the button for download. Download JSON simple.jar. Click on this button. Your download has been started. Here, right here it started. Your download has been started. Here it's downloaded. But I already download this file so that I don't download again by again. Right. Okay. This is the stuff we have to first do. Right. After downloaded, you have to import this jar file into your libraries. Here this is your project folder, consists of web pages, source package as well as a library folder, right? Now select the library folder, right click, add jar folder. Here you have to find the jar file, right? Now your jar file here is, you have to search the jar file, right here, jar file, right, this one. So search them. I have put into the E drive. Here. JSON simple, this one. So double click on this. This is the your jar file, right? After downloaded, you have to extract them. You have to get it as a normal folder, look like this. You have to inside the normal folder, your file look like this, right? Open it. If you open, it's reside on the libraries folder. The same thing. Another stuff we have to write we have to add the MySQL connector, right? So here you have to download another jar file. You have to type on the Google MySQL connector for Java. If you type, this is the first link, you have to click on this one, right? Here you have to download them. So first, don't click first button, second button. Here you have to read them properly. MySQL Java zip file. This is the zip file you have to download, right? Click on download button here. It goes to the different website for download, right? Here you no need to log in or sign up. You just click on this link below. No thanks, just start my download only, right? If you click on this link, your download has been started at the taskbar here, right? So I no need to download this also. I download too, right? So right click and cancel it. You must download this one, right? After download, you have to extract them the file, right? Now let's back to our NetBeans. Now that MySQL connector files also we have to import it into this library. So select the library folder, right click, add jar file. Here goes and browse where you downloaded, right? I downloaded and put my E drive. So you have to search. You have to search from the E drive where you put it, right? So I get it here, right here, this one, MySQL connector Java. Double click and open it. Double click and open. These two files required, right? Select first one, or down the control key down on, select second one, right? Two, right? You have to select both and you have to open it, right? It's both should be added into your library successfully, right? This jar file are needed. Okay, so after that you have to write the code here, right? Otherwise you can't access the JSON, right? If you are not put this jar file, as well as you can't access the MySQL connector. If you can't write the MySQL class if you are not import this connector successfully. So you have to make sure you must import this one successfully, right? After the JSON array, first you have to write JSON array. So you have to write case sensitive, this one JSON array. First JSON array. You have to create the object as list equal new, the same thing, JSON array. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This is not error. You have to import the namespace. Select and import here the namespace. It is the error go away. After that you have to write the connection object, connection con, object con. After that you have to write prepare statement, prepared statement pst, right? Now yes, select this one. You have to import the second one, import for Java SQL connection, this one. Second one you have to import this one, not this, right? Be careful when you are importing the namespaces, right? Perfect, right? After that we have to register the MySQL driver. So how to register this? You have to write class dot for name, right? Here we have to register the MySQL driver. You have to write com dot MySQL dot jdbc dot driver. You have to write like this, right? Perfect, right? Now here, right, perfect. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write, we have already created the connection object above. So you have to get it here, con equal driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write, first one is you have to write jdbc MySQL. You have to write MySQL. We have to write here is localhost, right? Your database reside on the localhost, right? You have to give the name. I just give the name right here, like I just give the sample name CB, right? This is my database, I just give the name, right? Here you have to give the username password for the MySQL server, right? I have installed the XAMPP server in my machine. When you install, your default username is root, password is blank, right? When you install the XAMPP server in your machine, right? So root, password should be blank, right? You are set like this, right? Okay, perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write the query. So we have to write string query equal, we have to write which table you are going to load, select all from which table, cities, this is the table you are going to load, right? Cities, the table you are going to load, this is the table, right? I just give it, this is countries, I just put as cities, right? Cities, right? Right, cities, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, you have to give the name properly here, right? What is the name you are given here, right? Okay, the same name you have to give here, you have to load the data, right? After that, you have to write another stuff is you have to write here statement stmt equal con dot create statement, right? Okay, after that, what I am going to select this one, we have to add the namespace, right? Import Java SQL statement, this one, right? After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write result set object, you have to create this result set, right? So we have to write result set object, result set rs, right? Now here we have to write here, we have to write this, right? Now here we have to write rs equal stmt dot execute query. Here we have to write this one, this query, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, you have to write here while loop, you have to write a while loop, while rs dot next, you have to write here is JSON object obj equal new JSON object, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? Now after that, what I am going to do is here you have to write here you load the cities, we have to here we have to write here is string, you have to click id equal rs dot get string yeah, get string, you have to write first one should be the id column, what's the id is available, you have to put this one here, right? These are the ids, this column. After that's country, right? Same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one should be the country, your country, right? Same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? The same name you have to put, what's the column name, country, right? Perfect. Right, this is the thing, right? Here we have to load the cities, and here we have to loop it, right? This one, this two, what is the countries available, it is loaded and put into this variable, right? After that, what I am going to do is here all the countries loaded and put into this variable. This variable sent into which page, country.jsp page, and load into the which combo box, we are loading to that combo box, right? So how to load here is in JSP you have to write OJB, this object, this one, you have to create the this object, right? JSON object, right? Dot put we have to write here is two things we have to send, id comma, this one should be the id. After that, same thing, control C to copy, the same thing, control C to copy this one, control V to paste here, this one should be this one, country, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? That's it, that's the thing you have to write. Finally, you have what I am going to see, we have to write out dot println, you have to write here list dot dot to JSON string, right? So after that, you have to write out dot flush, right? That's the thing we have to do, right? You have to sending the data here, you have to retrieving here, right? You have to how to retrieving the data here is simply you have to write here is you have to write you have to get the for loop, for like, right? So first we have to write whether the data is coming or not, you have to check console.log data, you have to check whether the data is coming or not. right click impact. What's the problem? Right, well, let's do the stuff and check. Right here, right here is the simple one here, right? Another stuff is here, right? Here, right? For loop here, right? The for loop here, right? Var I equals 0 here, right? I less than data dot length, data dot length. Length, right? After that, what I am going to do here, right? I plus plus. So here, right here is this one. This combo, this one. What's the name of this countries? Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Countries. Dot append. Here we have right dollar sign. We have right here is option. Here right option. Right. Here we have to comma. We have to put the comma. Now here right put the comma. We have right here is comma. Here right open bracket and close bracket. Here it right open bracket and close bracket. We have right here is right here put it like this. Right, perfect. Right, okay, perfect. Now here we have to load the things, right? First value. So right dot data. So right here is I dot ID comma. After that you have to text data I dot here we have to write this one. This what is this, we are sending this country. Control C to copy, Control V to paste country. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Load and put into this text box, combo box. Right, this is the thing we have to do here. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. All the stuff right. Now let's check. Okay, this one get this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, here paste this variable, this function here. Then only the data should be displayed. Right. When the form is loaded, you have to paste this one. Here you have to country. Right, country. Right. Country.jsp. Right. Right, that's a problem. Right click. Here the country.jsp. The problem is country.jsp. Here the problem is the URL is the problem. So that show the error. So go to your project. Get country right. I miss one R. That's the problem. Right. Now go back to my get country.jsp page. Is there anything error here? Here also we have a error. One thing we didn't call the list dot add. This object we have to add, then only it's sent into that page, right? That's the two stuff we have to do. List dot add, right? Now let's check only the problem. There is a problem. Now I hope it's works fine. Okay, this one should be the country.jsp, right? Here it's working fine, right? It's very simple one. I made the URL and here I list dot add this list. This all the things are we have this object we have to put it here. This all things should be we have to put it to the list. Right, this means this one array list, right? This array list we have to send it to which page? Country.jsp page, and we have to pass in here, right? Country means the same thing we have to the same these these two arrays we have to the same name, so the same name, then only it will work, right? I hope you guys you understood the things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.